Գյորջյան Կասկադ 60 ամիս փուլային վճարում բազմաթիվ առավելություններ։
Հաջորդը Երևան Today, հետո News AM ու մի հավելող հարց ազատությանը ու եզրափակում։
2.5 more questions.
Վերողություն 160
3.
4 հարց արգելի գործընկերներ։
Basically 4. So do it fast. She's asking that.
I want
to understand if you say you will only refer to legal means. And you mentioned several times that you will take it to the CTHR. We have a case of the arbitration ruling which the authorities refuse to implement.
Exactly.
So how, given these type of authorities, how do you take it only to the legal?
No, you miss it.
Whether CTHR ruling will even be...
No. You misunderstand what I'm saying. We intend to fight this case politically every day till he is free. Every day. We will attack Armenia every day until he is freed. We will attack Pashinyan every day. We will not stop. While Mr. Pashinyan is holding political prisoners, we will speak about it every day. Because this is something, there is nothing else besides freeing the hostages in Azerbaijan that should be dealt with first, beside rule of law. What I'm saying, to be clear, is that we will only resort to legal means. We are not challenging the government. We are saying we will go to the EU, go to the United States, and make people aware of the authoritarian that lives inside Mr. Pashinyan and his wife.
You mentioned that the Azeri government persecutes two Armenian billionaires, is after two Armenian billionaires, one is in captivity in Azerbaijan, the other in... Could you dwell more on that? What are the parallels between these two cases?
I think all of us have to ask that question. Because there are some implications to this. What was discussed between the leader of Azerbaijan and the leader of Armenia? Why are these two leading Armenians in jail? But this is speculation, but it's something I intend to explore. Because the detention of Karapetyan is inexplicable. I can't imagine that Pashinyan believes somehow this is in his interest. There must be something else. Attacking the church so closely after what happened in Nagorno-Karabakh. There are many lines that can be drawn. I'm not going to do that here, but I'm going to study it. And I ask everyone in the media to
Ու
study it.
ԶԼՄ-ների բոլոր ներկայացուցիչներին կոչ եմ անում մի հատ նույնպես խորանալ այդ հնարավոր պատճառային տվանքային կապերի մեջ։